Hey everybody, how's it going? Today we want to talk about what to do with your used spark plugs. So here behind me, we have this Audi. You guys are familiar with this. This engine is a 4-cylinder engine. But the question we want to ask you guys is, what are you guys doing with your used spark plugs once you've changed them? We've talked to multiple service techs, multiple service companies across this nation. And when we ask them that question, we always get back, will we throw them away or we throw them in the scrap bin? They don't have any idea that there is recycling value in your iridium and platinum spark plugs. So you guys have the tools in your shop now. You guys can start saving them up in boxes. You have plastic totes. Here behind me, you see I have some boxes of spark plugs here. We got totes. So the key to this program is you want to save up as much weight as you possibly can, because where recycling makes sense in this product is to have bulk weight. So it's simple. You guys, if you're interested in learning more about this program, or if you have spark plugs that you would like to sell us, give us a call. You can reach us at 619-427-8540, or you can reach us on the web, pgmrecoverysystems.com, and see all the recycling programs that we have to offer. So now you guys know what to do with your used spark plugs. Have a great day and thanks for watching this video.